Hello!
Hi!
Ho, ho, ho! Good morning, everyone! Berta!
Good morning! Today is a special day.
Is it Christmas again?
Yes. We decorate the tree today.
Christmas tree in the living room.
Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh, it is so good to see you again.
This is our Christmas tree. Hey, fuck.
It is tall. It is green.
Yes, Leo, it is a Christmas tree. Here is the box.
Wow! Many decorations.
Be careful, please.
Okay, Dad.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hooray! Yes.
Oh no! Snowy is here. Snowy likes the balls.
And Shadow likes the lights.
Dog, cat.
Oh my gosh!
Hey.
Happy holidays, everybody!
Santa!
Sophie, put the star on the tree.
Okay, Mom. I put the star on top. My turn.
Yes, Leo, you can help.
It's a little bit cold.
It's a little bit chilly.
It is cold near the window.
Let's wear sweaters.
I like my sweater. It is warm. Warm. Michael, Sophie.
Hot drinks break.
Laugh and deceiving nene. Happy holidays.
Let's drink something warm.
I have hot tea.
I have hot chocolate. I have hot chocolate. Milk. Milk. Grandparents help.
Oh, it's so nice to have you here. I miss hot chocolate Belgrade.
Hello there, Sophie. Hello there, little one.
How are you doing today, sweetie?
I love you. The tree looks nice. Nice.
Yes. Yes. Good job, family.
Thank you, Grandma.
Snow is falling again.
Laura.
Look outside. Ho-ho!
Snow is falling again.
I like the snow. I like the snow. Snow. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Happy holidays.
Look, it's snow! Yay!
The tree is ready. What?
Dad, the house looks beautiful.
I am happy! Huh? Happy.
Thank you for watching. This is our Christmas Laura story. Please wait for the next episode. Subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
We share fun and simple stories for English learners like you. Merry Christmas! See you next time!